Facebook's smart glasses, the Ray-Ban Stories, have been teased for some time now. These aren't the AR glasses we know Facebook has in development though, even if they're likely a precursor to just that. A soft launch product that tests the waters, gets the range in people's minds and homes, and sets Facebook up for some splashier AR devices down the line. For now though, these smart sunglasses still offer plenty for those after some tech in their Ray-Bans. They come in a variety of Ray-Ban designs from the ages, with lenses also coming in clear, sun, transition and prescription options. There are about 20 distinct models all in all, with the various colours and lenses all accounted for. A sleek exterior belies a medley of inputs and indicators, with touch-based volume control and a handy capture button for taking photos and videos. The dual camera setup isn't anything too flashy, but footage quality is perfectly adequate for the purpose. Call quality too is surprisingly clear, while the speakers placed by each ear offer an airy, open sound that makes playing pop songs on summer days an utter delight. It's not all sunshine, of course. In-app image editing is laughably basic at times, and the danger of so many touch controls is that they can be triggered by accident simply when taking the glasses off your face. You will need a Facebook account to use it too. Despite the Ray-Ban stylings and lack of any visible Facebook logo, the tech giant still wants to track user metrics here. You're opted out of extensive data tracking by default, but can sign up in the connected Facebook View app if you're feeling charitable. What's more alarming though is that the Facebook View app seems permanently active on your phone once installed, even once it's been closed. Given Facebook's history of privacy scandals, it's not the most reassuring thing. The Ray-Ban Stories are highly impressive smart glasses. The Ray-Ban exterior will no doubt help it find an audience, with an essence of style and familiarity that a more in-house design would have struggled to replicate, but the innards have plenty to recommend them too. Just don't forget that Facebook is at work in the background. The Ray-Ban Stories launched on September 9th, 2021 and retail for $299, £299 and $449 Australian dollars.